How to create a Pandabuy account. So if you want to create a Pandabuy account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then search for Pandabuy. Once you've searched, here you will have your search. So go for the first search, which is pandabuy.com, and it will take you to the website. So now to create your account, you can simply go for sign up, which will be on the upper right. Click on sign up and it will take you to the sign up page. So and from here, you can sign up to your account. So first, choose your country and then choose your email address or enter your email address and then enter a strong password and then again confirm your password. And you need to enter the invitation code, but this is optional. If you don't have the invitation code, just skip that. And then you need to enter the verification code, which you can see here. So enter the code and then click on this box so that you agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, your registration has been a success. So you can simply click on confirm. And here it says that please activate your Pandabuy account with the link sent to your email inbox. Click on confirm and then you need to enter the verification code, which is right here. And once you enter that, you'll be logged into your account. Click on login and you'll be logged into your account. But to verify, you need to open up your Gmail, which you have just used. And here you can go for activate account. You need to simply click on this link and that's it. Your email has been activated. So that's it. That's how you can create your account on Pandabuy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.